नमस्ते, खुश रहो बेटे। I, Jeevan Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic regulatory authorities and agencies. This topic belongs to the subject pharmaceutical regulatory affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester students. So this is a very important topic for the regulatory authorities. Now we come to the some contents of this topic. Contents: regulatory authorities. First one is US FDA, introduction, organization, mission, and what US FDA regulates. What US FDA does not regulate, and US FDA guidelines. According to WHO introduction, history, its people's offices, governance of WHO, functions, etc. According to ICH, introduction, purpose, ICH members, structure, ICH guidelines, topics, and ICH quality guidelines. So regulatory authorities, according to country, continent, and regulatory authorities. International, ICH, WHO, and WTO. Europe, EMEA, European Medicine Evaluation Agency. India, and CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. According to US, US FDA, DHHS, Department of Health and Human Services, and National Center for Complementary and Alternative Medicine. UK, MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Authorities. Australia, TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration. Now we come to the China, State Food and Drug Administration. Brazil, National Health Surveillance Agencies. New Zealand, Medicines and Medical Devices Safety Authorities. So now we started US FDA, US Food and Drug Administration. Introduction: US FDA, an agency with the US Public Health Services, which is a part of Department of Health and Human Services. Agency monitor the manufacture, import, transport, storage, and sale of medicine, medical devices, biological products, and radiation emitting devices. Organization, different types of branches included in this US FDA: Center for Biologic Evaluation and Research, Center for Devices and Radiographical Health, Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, Center for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition, Center for Veterinary Medicine, Office of Regulatory Affairs, National Center for Toxicological Research, Office of Chief Counsel, and Office of Commissioners. Now we come to the mission of regulatory authorities, agencies participate in pharmaceutical regulatory affairs to promote the public health by promptly and efficiently reviewing clinical research and taking appropriate action on the making of regulated product in a timely manner. With respect to such product, protect the public health by ensuring that the food are safe and wholesome, sanitary and properties labeling human and veterinary drug are safe and effective. There is a reasonable assurance of the safety and effectiveness of devices intended for human use, and cosmetic are safe and properly labeled, and public health and safety are protected from the electronic product radiation. Participates through appropriate processes with representatives of other countries to reduce the burden of regulation, harmonize regulatory requirements, and achieve appropriate reciprocal arrangement. What US FDA regulates: biological products, product manufacturing establishment and licensing, national blood supply, and research to establish product standard and to develop improved testing method, cosmetics, labeling, and drug product approval. Over-the-counter OTC drugs and prescribing drug label, drug manufacturing standard, foods, safety of all food products except meat and poultry, radiation emitting electronic product and radiation safety performance standard for microwave oven diagnostic X-ray equipment, cabinet X-ray systems such as baggage X-ray at airports, and laser products, mercury vapor lamps, and veterinary products. What US FDA does not regulate: uh, advertisement, alcohol, consumer product, drug of abuse, health insurance, meat, pesticides, and restaurants. US FDA guidelines, part of Title 21 CFR and guidelines. Part of 58, according to part of 58, good laboratory practices for non-clinical laboratory studies. Part of 101 for food labeling. Part of 110, current good manufacturing practices in manufacturing, packaging, or holding human food. Part of 201, according to labeling. Part of 312, investigation new drug application. And part of 314, application for FDA approval to market a new drug. Part of 328, over-the-counter drug product intended for oral ingestion that contain alcohol. Part of 331, antacids products for over-the-counter for the human use. Part of 341, cold, cough, allergy, bronchodilators, and anti-asthmatic drug products for over-the-counter human use. Part of 600, biological products general. Part of 820, quality system regulation. Part of 892, radiology devices. Part of 1392, registration of manufacturers, distributors, importers, and exporters of list. So this is the complete session of the regulatory authorities and agencies according to United States. According to United States, for the pharmaceutical regulatory affairs topic. So this is the complete session. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class on every Tuesday. So thank you, and thank you for the